Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Friends, today we are going to configure EIGRP on the Cisco routers in Cisco Packet Tracer. As you know, EIGRP is the Cisco proprietary protocol and it can only be configured on the Cisco devices. EIGRP is the enhanced version of IGRP. It is a hybrid protocol which has properties of both distance vector routing protocol and link state routing protocol. So as you can see, this is our topology. We have these two routers directly connected to each other via gig 0/0 interfaces, and these are the IP address will be configured on these interfaces 10.1 and 10.2/30, and this is the LAN network of router 1 and this is the LAN network of router 2, and these are the IP addresses will be configured on the LAN 20.1 and 30.1. This is our router 1. I will type enable configure terminal and we will change its name router 1. I will check interfaces, show IP interface brief. These are our interfaces. This is WAN interface and this is the LAN interface. I will go to the interface GI 0/0. First no shut. I will give description WAN interface to R2. Now I will configure IP address 192.168.10.1. This is the subnet mask /30. Now I will go to the interface 0/1. No shut and description LAN interface on R1. IP address 192.168.20.1/24 subnet mask, and I will go to exit router EIGRP 100. This is the AS number and it should be same on both routers. Let's see our configured networks first. These are our networks 10.0 and 20.0, and I will advertise these networks now. Network 192.168.10.0. I can also type the wildcard-mask, which is the inverse of subnet mask. This is the wildcard-mask for /30 subnet. Now 192.168.20.0 0.0.255. This is the wildcard-mask for /24 subnet. Now I will go exit. I will save configurations, and now this is the router 2. Type enable configure terminal and host name R2. These are our interfaces, WAN interface and LAN interface on router 2. I will go to the interface GI 0/0. No shut description WAN interface to R2. Now I will configure IP address 192.168.10.2. On the router 1 it was 10.1 and here it is 10.2. Subnet mask /30, and I will go to the interface 0/1 now. Description LAN interface on R2. No shutdown. IP address 192.168.30.1 255.255 or 255.0. Now I will go exit. Now the EIGRP 100, the same AS number which was configured on the router 1. Now see our networks. These are our networks configured 10.0 and 30.0. We will advertise 192.168 10.0 and wildcard mask for /30 32/30, and you can see neighbor is found, and neighbor adjacency is established now via IGRP 100, and this is the next hop IP address and next hop interface. Now I will advertise other network also. 192. This is LAN network 168.30.0.0.255. This is the wildcard-mask for /24 subnet. I will go exit and save our configurations. Let verify show IP route. You can see these are our directly connected routes: 10.0 networks and 30.0 network. And you can see we our router learned this network 20.0 from the 10.0 next of the router 1. You can see D for EIGRP. You can also test IP route EIGRP interfaces. You can see this is the network which was learned from the EIGRP. Now I will go to the router 1 and verify here. Show IP route. You can see directly connected route 10.0 and 20.0, and the network learned from the router 2 via EIGRP. So I will go to the PC. You can see IP addresses on the PCs. PC router 1 LAN 20.2 and router 2 LAN PC is 30.2. I will come here. This is the IP address configured on the PC on the router 1 LAN, and I will ping to the other PC on the router 2 LAN. You can see the PC on the router 2 LAN is accessible now. Similarly, we will go to here and we will check IP address. This is 30.2, and I will ping to the PC router 1 LAN, which is 20.2. So you can see both networks are reachable end to end. So friends, today our configurations are done for EIGRP on Cisco devices. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and till the next video, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu Alaikum, and thank you so much.